Greetings everyone, this is Aarti Jindal. Today's topic is formation of plurals. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the recent updates. Let us start with the topic formation of plurals. Let us recapitulate what are singular nouns and what are plural nouns. So singular noun number of nouns stands for anything one in number, whereas plural number of nouns stands for anything more than one in number. So when we are talking about the formation of plurals, then it means that we are converting singular nouns to plural nouns, and there are many ways to convert them. So as we can see through this image also, if we are talking about one kid, then it will be considered as singular noun, and if we are talking about many, more than one kid, then we'll consider that noun to be a plural noun. Now let us start with the topic, the ways of forming the plurals from singular noun. So the plural of nouns is generally formed by adding s to the final position of a noun. Let us understand this much better with the help of some examples. Boy plus s will be boys, school plus s will be schools, building plus s will be buildings, and scientist plus s will be scientists. So these are some of the examples. Now let us move further to the second way by adding es. So plural nouns are formed by adding es to the final position of a noun. It is added to the nouns ending in o or hissing sound such as ch, sh, so, s, double s and x. And the sounds are ch, sh, so, so. So these are some of the sounds that are termed as hissing sounds, and to convert these type of nouns to plural, we will simply add es. So the examples are class plus es will be classes, ditch plus es will be ditches, mango plus es will be mangoes, fox plus es will be foxes, dish plus es will be dishes, cargo plus es will be cargoes, mosquito plus es will be mosquitoes, hero plus es will be heroes. So in this table we can see that there are many nouns, or we can say that all the singular nouns are having the words ending with hissing sounds ch, sh, s, double s and x, and we have converted them to the plural by adding es. So we are having some exceptions in English language where we can see that some nouns ending in o do not take es but take only s. The examples are bamboo plus s will be bamboos, piano plus s will be pianos, photo plus s will be photos, studio plus s will be studios. So these type of nouns do not take es but take s to convert into plural form. Now let us move further. The next way to convert into plural forms, to convert the singular forms to plural forms, by replacing y with ies. So some examples are dowry will be dowries, pastry will be pastries, story will be stories, supply will be supplies, party will be parties, and puppy will be puppies. In this table we have seen some important thing. This happens only when the final y has a consonant letter before it. In the given table, we can see that the second last letter of each and every singular noun given in the table are consonant, right? So the second last, but whatever letter we have used before y is a consonant in the given table. So dowry, in dowry we can see that r is a consonant, and if we can see that any singular noun is having a consonant before y, then to convert it to the plural form, we will simply replace the y to ies, right? So this is one of the important thing that we should know. And with the nouns having vowel letter before final y, only s is added. If we can see the vowel before y, a, e, i, o, u, if we can find a, e, i, o, u or any of them before y, then we will simply add s, right? The next way is by replacing f or fe with ves. So examples are shelf will be shelves, wife, wives, calf, calves, leaf, leaves, thief, thieves, wolf, wolves, knife, knives, life, lives. So some exceptional nouns add s to form their plural. So the examples are cliff plus s will be cliffs, handkerchief plus s will be handkerchiefs, dwarf plus s will be dwarfs, belief plus s will be beliefs, proof plus s will be proofs, roof plus s will be roofs, right? So the next way is by adding s to the main or principal word in the compound nouns. So what are compound nouns? Compound nouns are those nouns with more than one word. and the examples are commander in chief. So we can see that we are having three words. So this is a compound noun, and by adding s to the principal word, in this compound noun we are having the principal word as, or the main word as, commander. So we will add s to this noun, this word, right? So whenever we are talking about the formation of plural of compound nouns, then we can see that we have to add s to the main word only. So commander in chief plus s will be commanders in chief. It will not be commander in chiefs, right? Father-in-law plus s, then we'll add this s to the main word. So it will be fathers-in-law, not father-in-laws. Mother-in-law plus s will be mothers-in-law. Passer-by plus s will be passers-by, not passerbys, right? So compound nouns are the nouns with more than a word. Now the next way is by changing the vowels used in the middle position of a noun. So examples are foot will be feet. So we have changed the middle letters with any other letter, right? So foot will be feet, double O will be converted to double E. So if we are talking about one, then it will be foot, and if we are talking about more than one, it will be feet. So foot, feet, louse, lice, mouse, mice, tooth, teeth, goose, geese, man, men, statesman, statesmen, woman, women. So, and the next way is by adding en or ren to the final position of a noun. So example is ox plus en will be oxen, child plus ren will be children, right? So this is one of the important way. And last but not the least, by adding s or apostrophe s or simply s at the end position of abbreviated nouns, right? Just like ma. So ma will, if we are talking about plural of ma, it will be MAs. MLA plus S will be MLAs. BA plus S will be BAs. MP plus S will be MPs. Right? So that's all for today, guys. I hope you must have liked my video. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, kindly hit the like button, and if you really like the content of my videos, then please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the recent updates. And if you want to share something with me, then surely you can drop a comment in my comment box. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Stay tuned.